Salt DIY, another project. Real quick, I'm just going to run through things here. Picked up this power washer for free, already running. Once again, just needed a carb cleaning and needed to be unflooded, I guess is the word. Spark plug was a little bit, I will show you a little bit, it was closed completely, there was no gap. So a friend of mine dropped off this snowblower, this Honda HS720 snowblower with a no start. And we're going to just run through the diagnostics of that. 100% sure that it's going to be the carburetor. But what do you say we go ahead and just do the regular diagnostics and make sure that everything is working just fine. So let's get that going right now. Right off the bat, you can tell fuel smells like pine sol. So why don't we take this cover off. Alright, so these screws are different. Alright, so I wanted to get to the fuel line, which looks like is right here. Let me get something to catch the fuel, because I want to get that shit out of there. It's disgusting. Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. All right, so I ripped the gasket. I'm going to see if I can make one. I have some material I can cut out. So we'll see what I can do. I got this one. Get that one on just like that. I don't want to forget that. I'm going to scrape that off. And supposed to be a bowl gasket in there. Okay, it came out. This is probably our whole problem right here. It looks pretty clogged up. So, we'll get that clean. What else has come out of here? Anything else? Guess that's it. Alright. Let me get poking this thing. Oh, that's small. I can't even get that in there. Shit. I don't think I have a small enough one. Smallest I got. Okay, it goes in there. I'm going to do this outside. It's going to spray everywhere. Alright, let's just put the car back together. Cleaned up pretty well. Looks pretty good. Motion 2 looks good, so we're going to stick that back in there. Stick that in there. I guess that did screw in all the way, so normally they don't, but hey. Oh boy. So when you blow on it, no air should come through. Air, no air. That's good. Oof, I just fucked that up. Okay, so fired this thing up, and I didn't like the way it was running. It was not running right, and I think half of the problem was I didn't put on the gaskets correctly. The whole thing correctly. So there's a gasket that's already on there that I'm leaving on there. And then number two, so it goes gasket, then it should go spacer, then there's that heat shield to the carb, and then there's another gasket here. The gasket that goes here, I'm going to go ahead and try to cut a new one because it's kind of ripped, because that might be giving me a problem. Then I'm just going to make sure everything is okay with this. All the connections are good, and then we're going to fire it up one more time to see if it slows down. See what happens. Remember when we were in 3rd grade and they were teaching us how to cut? Here's where the skill comes in. Here a second. You know, it would be awesome if I just had a die. Alright, well, I put it all back together. Had a little governor issue, which is why it was screaming at me. Let's turn it up. So it's still surging a little bit, but it is definitely much better. It is idling a hell of a lot better. And I think we figured out our fast engine, the governor was set wrong. So once I finally got that right and turned the fuel line on, we got it. So, I'm going to try to clean that carburetor again, but I'm going to call this done. Thanks for watching.